Hello everyone, today I'm back with another amazing recipe of how to make Kalyani biryani. So let's get started. First of all, we need 4 onions chopped, half kg chicken, half kg rice, some mint, 4 green chilies, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, some green coriander, 4 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon dry coriander powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric, 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Take a pan, add oil, then add onions and fry until light brown. And add ginger garlic paste and saute for 2 minutes. Then add salt, mix. Add chicken. And saute for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add red chili powder, turmeric, cinnamon powder, and dry coriander powder and mix well. Then add tomatoes, green chilies, mint, green coriander, and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then add yogurt and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add some lemon juice and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And it's ready. Time to cook rice now. Take a pan full of water. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 5 cloves, 3 cardamoms, 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, then add 1 tablespoon ghee in it. Then add some mint and green coriander as well. Add 1 teaspoon salt and now let the water boil. Once the water is boiled, add rice and cook until soft. Then strain the water out. Add some brown onions on top of your chicken. Add some mint and green coriander on it. Then we will do topping of rice on it. and some brown onions. Mint and green coriander. Then some ghee. Then add some yellow color to it, mixed in milk. Now cover the lid with low flame and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, nicely mix everything well. Our Kalyani biryani is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Take care. Bye.